We're after the fixing of the pruners today, folks. And the let's get the there's the garage tripod. And what this is it's a thumb extension. I think that's every bit a quarter, at least. Boy, maybe even 5/16, maybe, folks. Yeah. But the task at hand is to, well, this is what we're working with, folks. These things right here today, we're going to move those. We're taking those out with linesmen's. No, just kidding, folks. That's straight up horrible humor. No. Tom, what's going on, buddy? He just got chased by a chicken, really. He's not happy. He'll run a rooster off, but he'll run from a chicken. Buddy, what's going on? Folks, the mechanic's complaining about this gem right here. We're going to fix it. And we're going to put this right here on it. So we're still after a screwdriver. Tom, you can't get in. Photobomber, buddy. Photobomber, bud. No, he wants to get up on the... Sorry, buddy, you can't do it today. Here's our tools, folks. This is what we're going to use today. But we are going to make sure the cat moves out of the way. Look out, buddy. Come on, Tom. Come on, we're going to have to do too much editing on the video, but look out, buddy. But if you're an apprentice electrician, well, this isn't supposed to. This is the carnage from last time. Look at that. I don't know what somebody decided to do to that, but that doesn't look right. But folks, electricians do stuff. And what we want to keep that little part right there, because we can use that in the little rubber part right there. So we're going to cut that off. Let's start with that. Oh no, here comes the turkeys, folks. You got your safeties on, folks? And that is what we're after right there, folks. Oop. And really, we're going to want to take about that, I don't know, inch. Take an inch back. Folks, if you're not an apprentice electrician or a handy house repair person, pay attention. And what I should do is take that off. I'm going to take that off real quick. Hang tight. Tom, what'd you do with the screwdriver, buddy? You just had it. Where's that? Look at just like that, folks. She cleaned it just like that. I don't know. They called that watch time. Folks, what we're going to do is see what's inside here. We're replacing this cord that we just cut off. There's a dark screw, a light screw, a green screw. But there's only 2 wires. Oh, wow. It's even nicer, right? When there's only a couple wires. We could pull it apart with our thumbs right now, folks. Or grab it with our pliers, but who wants to do that? No, we should have pushed that through, but for the sake of I guess I should have pushed this through first, but no, let's put this back on here. Folks, when it gets about like, you know, like so, then you can get a good squeeze on it and just twist the wires, folks. Don't run your fingers back and forth on there, or you'll get a bad surprise. Black goes to the dark colored screw, folks. So let's just put it right there. Oh no. You almost caught me, folks. Look at that. You almost caught it. I don't know. Did we do that wrong? We may have. Now we're going to have to undo a screw. Take it easy. This is going to be the unedited. Well, the argument is that's the how to gain watch hours and keep people interested in what's going on. And it actually does work. Appreciate it, folks. Thank you. White goes on the lighter colored screw. We can do that first. We could almost put that. We can make that a little hook, can't we? Folks, you can do this at home. If you do this exactly like this, and you don't end up cutting your finger, that's not the idea, but look what you can do, folks, is you can get it dark on the dark colored screw, white on the light colored screw, and we don't have a ground, so don't rip it off, folks, just leave it alone. Oh, buddy, you mad because the chicken run you off, little boy? He is not happy. Sorry, bud. Quit it, buddy. That's what you're going to get. You're going to chase the chicken. You can run the rooster off. The chicken don't like the chicken. Then, folks, just bring it all together like this. That's on there. Remember what we did? We cut that off. We kept it from the... Which doesn't... You didn't need to do that, folks. Fat slot. You'll know how it goes because it only goes one way. It will only go one way, folks. Quit the fidget. Quit the fidget. Maybe not. There's too much stuff in the way, folks. So what we're doing, folks, is we're replacing the cord. That one sunk in there pretty good. For the mechanics impact, and now it'll hold on to the plug a little better, folks. Oh no, that's way too far in there. We got to pull that out. How are we going to do that? Did you not even? I got to pull that down, folks. Can we get that to move? Can we get that to move without ruining it? Or do I have to take the whole thing apart? Oh, actually, the inside is actually what's going to squeeze on it, so it is going to work, folks. The inside right there is what's pressing on it, so we're okay. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm not going to fumble with that screw. You know how that goes. But there you have it. Back in action. I think that's going to work, folks. It's a good tugger now. I wouldn't go slinging it across the parking lot like some people do. Thanks for watching, folks.